is a Nitecore 4-cell charger. This thing is designed to charge just about any battery, being it a AAA or the larger AA, all the way to lithium-ion cells of just about any technology. Now this is my charger. It's the deluxe version, and today I've received a Nitecore on the budget version. Now this one's broken. I've already taken the guts out, but if my audience is interested, we'll do a repair here on screen, and I show you exactly how to save money to repair such a broken Nitecore charger. Now I'm just poor. This unit here belongs to a millionaire worth dozens of millions of dollars. And it's from Austria. And today we have Anzac Day in Australia, so we're not doing Austrians a favor. And of course, I will not elaborate on the cause. Thank you very much.